family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to see if this gain fling deal was still like glitching a little bit with purchasing certain little items together. So Sunday we got a digital coupon, four for $20. Okay, so they was the gain flings, the 24 count, the beads, the sheets, and the softener. So you were supposed to get different ones, but the coupon is letting you to get like all flings together. I think it's, if you want to get the sheets together, if you want to get the beads together, and if you want to get the softener together. I think that's how the rest of them are doing. But I just know about the flings because I know I need flings in my stockpile, okay? That goes quick for me when somebody's wanting to purchase some items. So, or if they want to use some items or whatever, that goes good for me. So what I did was I went by there and I scanned them on my app first and everything attached. So they are $7.50 a piece. But if you get four, you will be paying like $20 and less. So what happened was, also, there is a 5 off of 30 digital coupon for all game items. And y'all, the $10 came off. $10 came off because it was actually a total of $30. My $10 came off and the $5 for the 5 off of 30 came off. So I got these game flings and they are 20. Let's see, where is it at? There it is, 24 count. So I got four. I went ahead and just got four original. I was kind of like in a rush, so I had to hurry up and get back home. So I just went ahead and just picked up four original. I don't know if the other scents is scanning also for the coupon. So I just went ahead and picked up all of original scents, okay, of the game flings. So like I said, they are $7.50. There is a $4 for $20. That digital coupon did come off. It took off $10, and then the 5 off of $30 came off. So I went ahead also, and these nerds, y'all know, like I told y'all in a previous video, me and my husband love these nerds. They are the Nerds gummy clusters. They are $1.75. Also, there is a 75 cents off cash back that is actually on my app too. On this number that I used my daughter's number for this. So I just picked up 2. I could have picked up 5, but they only had 2 left. So they was $1.75 a piece. So I didn't check yet to see if I got the 75 cents twice back on my app. So I would check to see that. If I did, then I will put it on the screen so you all can see it. So my subtotal was $18.50. And everybody's taxes is different. But if you don't want to get the nerds, then you'll just get, just take $3.50 from $18.50. And then that will be the balance that you will be actually paying. This is a real good deal, y'all. Real good deal. So it looked like I had clipped them all on my numbers, but I think one of them, they must have pulled it, but the other ones are still out there on the coupon. So hopefully hopefully they won't pull it by Saturday, so you can see if you can get the 5 off of 25 too and get it really cheap. But I don't know. You can just try it. I think I'm going to try it to see. Hopefully there's some game flings out there, or if the softener, because I tried to do the softener in my app when I got home to see if the coupon attaches, and it does discount it down to $20. So I don't know, But I know I needed some games, so I probably end up just doing all games if they had all games. I don't know about the mix and match, if that still works. I don't know. I haven't tried hardly nothing. If someone can go in my comments and let me know that, you know, getting 2 game flings and 2 softeners is still worked or whatever, just let me know, okay? In my comments. I really appreciate it. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. All right, so hold on, shoot. So here we go. So there is the game flings. There is the $10 and the $5 that came off. Then there's the nerds. So my subtotal was $18.50. Everybody's taxes is different. My total savings was $15. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So y'all, I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. If I do not make another video, I just want to say Merry Christmas. I hope, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, you're celebrating Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Londa's Shop.